Hey Tim, this video is for you. This is how you guys need to set up the A and B blowers. What I did is I bought about an 8-inch RV connection extension. This is half of it. This is the bayonet half, and this is the half with the lugs. You cut it in half. This is the half you don't need, okay, after you cut it, because it's too thick back here, so you don't need that. And when you get this end, this is a perfect compression fit. It's not glued in or anything. It's tight. You just want to be sure that you cut it long enough that it covers the entirety of this opening right here. So it's got to be about that long. That's why you need the longer one. And you just put it in there. And once you get the RV fitting on the end of the hose, boom, it's set up. That way you can move this thing around, drag it around, whatever. The hose isn't going to be coming out from just stuffing it in this pipe right here. It's solid. It works great. We've already tried it. So that's that end. Okay, Tim, so here's the other end. You get one of these. I think I showed you this before. It's a good compression fit, but when you try to twist this on, it does turn a little bit, so I glued it on with PVC cement, and it holds really well. So these they have down at Little Dealer, Little Prices. I don't know what they call them, but you can, it's a, I can't remember what they call it, but you know what it looks like. Okay, so here's the 45-degree sewer hose fitting. That fit the hose perfectly. It's tapered on the end. It was nice and tight, but the hose clamps on here and taped up. And the big deal is that it keeps the hose off the ground so it doesn't affect the vibration. And it fits on here really good. Just like that, and there you go. We also, to get it up higher, the one thing I don't like about this Keene is it sits really low to the ground. So we did I made some blocks with some aluminum channel to hold the legs, and it gets the unit up higher. I like it because it keeps the hose that much further off the ground. It keeps the tailings piles, you know, you don't have to shovel them away so often, and it's easier getting dirt and working the top of the hopper. It's not so low, and I don't have to bend over. But anyway, that's it. Everything is nice and tight. It vibrates well. It hooks up to the blower really well, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.